Hi Radiant, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you step by step how to blow dry and straighten your wig the right way. These are the tools and products you will need. Firstly, you will need to spray your heat protectant all over the wig. This helps to prevent heat damage. Go in with your blow dryer and gently brush the hair downwards. Always point your dryer down the hair. This helps reduce frizz and keeps the hair smooth. Take your time here guys. The smoother you blow dry, the easier it is to straighten. Remember to blow dry on a minimum heat. Next step is to section the wig. Sectioning makes everything easier and helps you get a smoother finish. I like to section my wig into 2 parts and clip the rest away while I work. Don't skip these steps guys. Trust me, it makes a big difference. It's time to start straightening. We are going to divide the first section into 2 parts. Comb through first. Place the straightener behind the comb and run both down slowly. Repeat this chase method 2 to 3 times is enough. You don't want to overheat the hair. Once you are done, take the second part, comb through, place your straightener behind the comb and run both down slowly, and also repeat that same step 2 to 3 times. To perfect that slicky look, place the hair in the comb and straighten it down using the chase method. Once you have the next part you want to straighten, remember to pack and clip the remaining hair out of the way. For this section, I'm going to be dividing the hair into 3 parts. Remember, we are working in small section. You don't need to rush yourself. Take your time. This will help you to get that smooth, sleeky look we are aiming for. First of all, get your small section. Once you have your small section ready, comb it through. Place your straightener behind the comb and run both down slowly. We are going to be repeating the same chase method. Comb the hair through, place your straightener behind the comb and run both down slowly. Quick one Radiant, this wig was just washed. If you want to learn how to properly wash your wig, kindly check my page. A full detailed video of how to wash your wig, step-by-step tutorial is right there for you. I digress. Back to our straightening. For this section, I divided the wig into 4 parts, and I will repeat the same method. Comb the hair, place my straightener behind the comb and run both down slowly, which I will do 3 times in order for me not to overheat the hair. Here is the final part to straighten before moving to the closure lace. Thank you so much for watching up to this stage. I'm really grateful. I do not take your support for granted. If you have not liked this video, kindly do so. comment as well, and subscribe if you have not done that. And if you are coming across my video for the very first time, you are welcome to Radiant Community. Here we talk about beauty, wig maintenance, wig cares, how to maintain your natural hair, the right products and tools to use to grow your natural hair and to maintain your wig. The final stage is to flatten the closure. At this stage, you have to also work in sections in order for your closure lace to sit well on you and your wig to look more natural when you wear it. To flatten your closure lace, apply your wax stick. Place the back of your hot comb at the root of the hair and comb it down. I repeat myself. Place the back of your hot comb at the root of your hair and comb it down gently. This is how to flatten your closure. The hotness of your hot comb is at the back of it, so you have to place it on the hair and comb it down gently. You press down your hot comb over the hair in order to achieve the flatness. For my final look, I like to give my lace a little push-up. What I do is to apply my wax stick, then use my hot comb to comb the hair upward in order for me to have a little push-up at the front of my lace. This is my preference. It's not compulsory you do this. Finally, I spray a little bit of argan oil for more shine. A little goes a long way. And this is the final result: smooth, straight, and super soft. This routine really helps bring your wig back to life and keep it looking fresh and healthy. Thank you so much, guys, for staying with me up to this stage. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. I do not take any of it for granted. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.